Hello, and welcome to the Banker's Tech Talk video series looking at all things fintech. I'm Joy Macknight, Deputy and Technology Editor at The Banker, and I'm joined by Daan van den Eshof, who is Product Manager at Rabo eBusiness at Rabobank, and Erik Setsaas, who is Vice President at Identity and Innovation at Signicat. I was going to pose the first question to you, Erik. What are the big challenges when it comes to digital identity?
I'm sure you remember 25 years ago there was a cartoon of a dog at a computer and the text was, at the internet nobody knows you're a dog, right? And that's still sort of the challenge. How do you know who you're dealing with? How do you know you can trust them? We need to make this simple. Currently we see you're on board somewhere, you need to provide your identity paper, you need to provide all this kind of information. And that results in more than 50% of people abandoning this. Running away from it because it's too much information, it's too complex, they don't understand why they have to do all this. So what's needed is a verified digital identity, something that can be reused, something that can be trusted. And unlike, for example, a Facebook login, which is used in the same way, you can sign up to a lot of websites using Facebook, you need a verified identity. To give an example, coming from Norway, we have Bank ID, which has 93% coverage. And each Norwegian uses this on average 3 times a week. This is verified by the bank, it's KYC'd, so you know you can trust that person. You could use that to sign up to new services. You can use it to log in to health, government, and everything. You need some trusted entities to do that. Parties like Rabobank, banks are trusted to manage that identity. People don't care about identity, right? In general, they want a job done. Identity, passwords, all this is just in the way of what they're trying to do.
And I know that Rabobank has recently launched its Rabo eBusiness, which is a digital identity service provider. You know, why did you do that, and what sort of problems are you really trying to solve?
The main reason we are starting this partnership was that we want to stay relevant to our customers in the future. And 2 years ago, when we decided that we wanted to be in this digital identity service provider role, the identity market itself was already identified as potentially interesting. What we do different in this partnership is that we work together with a fintech, and we try to solve the problems of our customers in the online world, and we use our trust and technology and knowledge from our partner to enter this new market in a fast way.
But where are you seeing the greatest take-up, and what pain points is it really trying to solve for your customers?
Yeah, originally it's a B2B2C solution we're offering. We help our customers in doing business online, in leasing, in renting a car, buying a house, getting a mortgage, and in the area where we see where we combine the trust and technology part, I think the uptake will be where you can see the B2B solutions, in signing or in identity, and on the other hand, it provides us a new opportunity in bringing innovation to our customers and helping them in doing business online.
And it's so interesting because there's been so much buzz around fintechs, and a lot of banks have been engaging, but it's quite interesting to see how, the benefits of actually working together. So can you tell me sort of how you came to be partners? What benefits are you seeing? And then also like some of the challenges that you had to overcome as a bank to work with a small fintech. But maybe I'll start with the fintech first.
Yeah. Right. Signicat has more than 10 years experience working with identities. We are strong in the Nordics. We're now moving out to Europe. We deliver the technology. We are not a trusted brand. People in general do not know us. So we need then to do this together with a trusted brand like Rabobank that people recognize and people can use. And working together on this is important. We can work on innovation together. We can look at new services. We have the expertise, the knowledge on identity. You know the market and have the trusted brand. And that enables us to innovate new services in this space.
Were there any specific challenges that you had to overcome working with a large incumbent bank?
Well, we are, compared to them, still a small company, of course. I mean, we're 110 people now. But I think the cooperation has been very good. Rabobank has been very, good at working with this, very innovative, and really wanting this to happen.
From the incumbent bank's perspective, Dan, how has Rabobank, how did the partnership develop, and were there any challenges that you needed to overcome?
Yeah. The challenge was and still is how to combine the speed and technology from a fintech with a strongly regulated environment, being a pretty big bank. When we look back at the point where we now, I think when I round it up, I'd say, working together with a fintech provided us a fast entry to a new market where we offer new products to new clients in a way that we could never imagined a year ago. So that's pretty nice where we stand now.
Thank you so much for your insights, Dan and John Erik.
Thank you.